Wow. Alright. Hey guys. So, back to the review video. Sorry about that. Just, little short clips in between. From when I was over at Target, right next to the Greasers Mall. Got ourselves nice Nerf X Fortnite SPL dart gun. No, I'm not gonna do a double review video, but this is what we're focusing on. So, anyways, yeah, back home from Warlock's house. Thanks to him, I got the batteries. And, turn switch over there. Okay. Turn on. It's just have a third type of thing. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let me do something here. Whoever wields this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. There's a button on the hill. Whoever wields this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. Okay. So this button right here activates a voice command, which is right here. Whoever wields this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. Try that again. There's a button right down here. I didn't mean to do it that soon. Whoever wields this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And there's that as well. Oh, there's a little. So let's try that with the light on again. Whoever wields this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. Whoever wields this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. Oh, I have it turned off. That's fine. Turn it back on. That's on. Try one more time. Whoever wields this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. And it just lit up a bit. Turn that back off. But yeah, that's basically it. So you move it around, there's like the thunder lightning thing. You hold it still, hold that button down. There's a little micro, like a little voice thing right there. You just gotta say the phrase, whoever wields this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. But yeah, thanks again to the Warlock for recording the first half. I'm sending this second half to him so he could get the whole thing in one video. Put that thing back on the stuff. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. Okay. That's beautiful stuff. But yeah, that is the Marvel Legends series 4. Good luck. Thor, Mjlnior, Electronic Hammer. So that, guys, thanks for watching this review. Hopefully we'll probably at least try to do more Marvel Legends series reviews. But until then, guys, this is X of Team DUHQ. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.